Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fit a Fiat 500 rear wiper blade. First, gather your tools. You will need a new wiper blade, a small flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth. Always ensure your new blade is the correct size and fitting for your Fiat 500 rear arm. Park your car on a level surface and turn off the ignition completely for safety. This simple preparation makes the process much smoother. Now, let's remove the old blade. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright and locks into place. Be gentle to avoid scratching the glass. Next, look for a small tab or clip where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade downwards or sideways off the arm. It should detach with minimal effort. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back onto the rear window glass. To complete the process, activate your rear wiper to test the new blade. Observe its movement and ensure it clears water smoothly and completely across the entire window without streaking or chattering. This confirms proper installation and functionality. Regular checks of your wiper blades ensure optimal visibility and safety. Remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Keeping your car in top shape is always a smart move.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.